It's a lot cheaper to do your nails at home, so when SunUV sent me this free kit, I couldn't wait to try it. Now, you get this nice little pouch that includes all the things that you need to get your nails done. Included is a metal cuticle stick and a cuticle trimmer. You get some clippers, two nail files, some toe separators, some nail clippers, and a little brush. And then you get some instructions. Here is your box of gel polish. There is your base coat, your top coat, and then all of your beautiful little colors here. Aren't they gorgeous? I chose the black because I love black polish. As you can see, it turned out great. And then you also get this amazing light. This light is safe for your skin and your eyes. It has some timer buttons on it, but you can also just stick your hand in it and then it turns on automatically. Simply apply your base coat, choose one of the pretty shades of nail polish color, put that on, and then apply the top coat. And then you'll just cure your nails underneath the light for just a few seconds and then it'll be finished. This kit comes with everything you need for manicures and pedicures and it works really well. I'm really happy with this kit and I think you will be too.